Have you ever driven past a house and thought, wow, that front yard looks incredible? The secret usually isn't expensive landscaping, it's choosing the right perennial plants. Plants that come back every single year, bloom beautifully, and make your home look stunning with surprisingly little work. Today, I'm sharing 10 of the best perennial plants for front yards that bloom year after year. Let's get started. If you love bright, cheerful colors, Coreopsis is a fantastic choice. Its golden yellow flowers bloom for months, attracting butterflies while adding warmth to your landscape. Even better, it's incredibly drought-tolerant once established. USDA zones 4 through 9. Don't let the name fool you. Catmint isn't just for cats. Its soft, lavender blue flowers create an elegant cottage garden appearance and bloom for an impressively long season. It also attracts bees and butterflies while resisting deer and rabbits. A wonderful low-maintenance option. USDA zones 3 through 8. Few flowers look as timeless as Shasta Daisies. Their crisp white petals and sunny yellow centers instantly brighten any front yard. They bloom throughout summer and make excellent cut flowers for indoor arrangements too. USDA zones 5 through 9. Also known as Echinacea, this hardy perennial is one of the easiest plants to grow. Its colorful blooms attract pollinators all summer long, while the seed heads continue feeding birds during winter. Beautiful and beneficial. USDA zones 3 through 9. Daylilies are famous for thriving almost anywhere. Each bloom lasts only one day, but don't worry, the plant continuously produces fresh flowers for weeks. That's what makes them such dependable landscape favorites. USDA zones 3 through 9. Want rich color without constant maintenance? Salvia delivers stunning spikes of purple, blue, pink, or red flowers throughout the growing season. They're also highly attractive to hummingbirds, and honestly, they're one of the easiest ways to add elegance to a front yard. USDA zones 4 through 10. These sunny golden flowers create an inviting, welcoming entrance. They bloom generously from midsummer into fall and tolerate heat, drought, and poor soil surprisingly well. Perfect for busy homeowners. USDA zones 3 through 9. Peonies are pure luxury. Their huge, fragrant blooms make almost any home feel more expensive. The amazing part? A healthy peony can live and bloom for decades, sometimes even generations. USDA zones 3 through 8. Beautiful fragrance, silver foliage, elegant purple flowers. Lavender brings color, texture, and wonderful scent, while attracting pollinators and naturally resisting deer. It's both practical and gorgeous. USDA zones 5 through 9. And finally, our number one pick, Hydrangea. Few shrubs create more impact than hydrangeas. Their massive flower clusters bloom for months and instantly become the focal point of a front yard. Whether your home is modern, traditional, or cottage style, hydrangeas always seem to fit beautifully. No wonder they're one of America's favorite landscape plants. USDA zones 3 through 9, depending on the variety. So, which perennial would you plant in your own front yard? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more beautiful gardening ideas every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.